Good morning. Yes, now it's time for us to learn English. Okay, now take your English book and take page number 21. Take page number 21. Okay, kids? Yes. Write the first letter of the picture. Write the first letter of the picture. Previous page, what you did? You circled the first letter. Here you are going to write the first letter. So what is this? Apple. Apple. What will come here? A means yay. Very good. So write yay. Next. Bag. Bag. B. Very good. So write B. Next, what is this? Cap. What will come here? C. Very good. Write C. Next, doll. Doll. What will come here? D. Very good. You're correct. Next, egg. Egg. E. Very good. Write E here. Fan. F. Right here. Gift. Gift. Write G here. Next, hat. H. Yes. This is igloo. E is I. Right eye. Joker. J. Kite. K. Yes. K. Next, lion. L. Yes. Right L. Now take the next page and do the same thing. Okay, kids? Say the sound and write the letter. Finish it and show it to me.